guess what just happened? My car just won the Diamond in the Rough Awards. This is the best work in progress, and this is gonna be something that I'm gonna be able to put in the Porsche studio, and it is gonna look amazing. I'm so happy. All right, guys, I'm gonna be restoring my Fuchs wheels, and these are original, and I'm going to be sandblasting for the first time, and also I'm going to be polishing and coating these so that way they look brand new. And guys, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit right now. Let's get this party started. Okay guys, so now it's time to buff these wheels up and make them look so shiny. I already did 2 wheels, and guys, if I thought they looked good before, these things are majestic now. So I just put the wax on the buffing wheel so it like polishes it up, and then I only polish the protruding like pieces. I don't know what to call them, but you only polish those ones and it looks amazing. Alrighty, last one. Let's get polishing. Almost just as fun as sandblasting. Almost. Okay, so I had to make sure these wheels looked really, really nice for the Sierra Madre car show that I was invited to. And I'll see you guys at 6 in the morning. Okay, it is 6:30 a.m. and I am driving down to the City of Sierra Madre car show. Gotta keep my eyes on the road. And I just sandblasted the wheels to make them look super, super nice, and also got new lug nuts from Sierra Madre collection. And the wheels have never looked nicer. This is gonna be an awesome car show. I'm at the Sierra Madre car show and fire prevention festival, and I have seen so many cool cars. Let me show you some of my favorites. This is another one of my favorites, and it has a fart noise machine inside of it. Look at that interior though. One of my favorites! It's a Barracuda. It's a Barracuda, guys. They gave me a little voting card and they said choose your favorite car. So they have these little voting cards that you choose your favorite cars in. And guys, this one's my favorite car because it has the little pull-out tray. Isn't that awesome? This one is really, really cool because they have all these like old stuff in it. Do you see that? It has it all there. It has old helmets. Awesome. Awesome.
for best work in progress, and that's going to be number 72. Number 72. Yeah! So I'm going to pass the mic over. She's going to tell you a little bit about her car.
Okay, so I'm converting a Porsche 914 to electric as my first car. I'm also restoring it, and it's that one, that little one over there, and I'm very, very excited.
So the Sierra Madre car show was a hit. This was one of the coolest car shows ever. There were so many awesome cars. I had a ton of favorites, and this place is awesome.